Hi, welcome back to this channel. So today I thought we could take a look at the new update to Massive X. It's the 1.1 update. See some of the changes, listen to it. Yeah, just take a quick view over it. We can check changelog here, and the changelog says that the exciter, amp and mod envelope now reflects their actual state and respond to user input. And this was a thing that didn't work when Massive X was released. The graphs down here, they were stationary, so when you moved the knobs here, you didn't see the graph move with them. And apparently now this is fixed, so that's good. In addition, they have added some new themes. This is the default standard theme. Then you have dark, light, flat default, flat dark, and flat light. And as the changelog says, the flat themes, they increase compatibility with older graphics cards. So if you have a slower computer, you can go here, go to Massive X, go to theme, and use, for example, flat default. This will lighten up some of the load of your computer's GPU. And there are some new factory presets, and they have a separate section type in the browser. Not sure what they meant here, but maybe new in 1.1. We can check them out. And again here, rise fall parameter in both LFO switcher and LFO random envelope displays the actual parameter state and responds to user input. Grid labels to the tracker, and you can also download the full manual on their website, I suppose. And there are some fixes down here that they have fixed, and some known issues with some other DAWs. So that's basically it. That's really a feature that should be in here from the start, but it's here now, so I guess it's that's good at least. So let's just select a theme here. Let's use dark. Let's just see if it works. Looks like it works. Just play around a little. We can check out some of the new patches here. I don't think we can go through each and every one of them, but yeah. Okay, let's try this one for the track, the first track here, and just let's grab another Massive and throw it on the pad track there. Let's try this. Yeah, Maybe not the best patches for this this melody, but hey. That's basically it. If we read here in the changelog, envelopes displays and reflects their actual state, and you also have the new skins here. I can show you those as well here. Light, flat default, oops, and flat dark. I like the flat dark, actually like this one, and flat light. Yeah, so that's basically the new stuff in Massive X. Let's just, for the fun of it, see if we can make something interesting here. Let's see if we can take some of the patches they have made in 1.1 and try to make them sound better. That's a fun thing, don't you think? Okay, let's try this one. Okay, it's already too much reverb, and let's see if we can up the octave a little. Let's add a little reverb. Yeah, I think that sounds pretty good for a few minutes of tweaking. Let's see if we can find some string or pad thing here in the new browser. Yeah, maybe that one. Yeah, maybe that one, and maybe add some reverb on it. Increase the release. Okay, lush upright was sounded good. And I don't really like that that patch, the arena hands. Yeah, let's see if we can make something out of it. Maybe that one? Yeah, I can play around for a long time with this. So that was the Massive X 1.1 update. I hope you liked this little video. If you do, please hit that subscribe button, tap that bell and like the video. If you do that, the Google algorithm gets happy and will send this content further up in the search results. And I will also produce more videos like this. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.